Welcome back to another Take 5 workout. Today we're doing a 2010 Tabata style, straight for 5 minutes. We're gonna be doing jump rope mixed with bodyweight exercises. Let's get into it. All right, let's get this party started. Whew, it's bright.
Go!
Remember, we just got 5 minutes, so push it hard. Go at your pace, stay in control with the jump rope. Throw in skills as desired.
Rest!
All right, push-ups. We're gonna go to push-ups.
Push-ups.
Go!
Go!
Use these from your knees to the head. Slow and control.
Rest!
Back to the rope.
Go! Rest!
Up next, reverse alternating lunge.
Go! Rest!
Back to the jump rope. Notice I have a second jump rope. This is the cross rope, 3/4 pound rope.
Go!
Just to mix it up, push it a little bit different.
Rest!
Back to push-ups.
Go! Rest! Go! Rest!
Up next, reverse alternating lunge.
Go! Rest! Go! Rest!
Back to push-ups.
Go!
All right, last one, let's go hard.
Go. Done.
Thanks for taking 5 with me. I'll see you in the next one.